Hi, this is Corrie, and I'm just going to do a quick video tutorial and show you how to make these cute little gift card holders. So the way this gift card holder works is it's got a little flap here that tucks underneath this little medallion, and when you open it up there is a pocket that holds the gift card, and that goes in right there. And then I've stamped a little sentiment here, and then I have left some room for me to write. So I'm going to show you actually how to make those right now. So I'm going to start off with a 6x6 piece of paper, and then I'm going to cut that paper at the 4-inch mark, and I will be left with a 4x6 piece of paper and a 2x6 piece of paper. I'll take that piece of paper and I will score it at the 3-inch mark down the middle. And with this paper I actually like to score it on both sides. I find that it just doesn't crack as much. And then you're going to set that piece aside. Next, from the little scrap piece that's left over, you're going to cut a piece off at 2 3/4. And then with that piece you will score it at a 1/4 inch all the way around. And I just like to rotate the paper and do it that way. And then what I like to do is I just like to trim off the corners. I call this mitering the corners, and it just helps to give me a nice flat corner when the pocket is all assembled, as you can see right there. Okay. So next, what I like to do is I will take some adhesive. I find that since this is going to take a bit of you need a heavy-duty adhesive, so I like the double-sided tape. Plus it's a thin little strip here, so I've got some double-sided 1/4 inch adhesive that works really well for that. But you could use a liquid glue, or your tape runner, whatever works for you. I'm just going to peel these off. And then when I'm placing the actual, when I'm placing this little pocket on the gift card, make sure it's going the right way. I like to put the gift card in, or something the same size as a gift card. Even a credit card works. But I like to use this just so that I can figure out where center is for the top and bottom especially. There we go. Okay. So next is the little closure part. And what I did is I cut a little die cut from Spellbinder's Floral Doily motifs, and I've scored this in half, and half of this is going to adhere on the back, and then the other half is going to go on the front, and it's going to tuck in behind the little circle here. And what I've done is I've actually created a little I don't know if you want to call it a little gusset or a pocket for it to slide into. So what I did is I took a piece of paper that was 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 5/8, and I scored it on a 1/4 inch on each side, and that left me with a 1 1/8 inch space in between here. And I will again take my tape, have to be exact with this stuff. Put that on the back of your die cut and around the center. Okay. Just crease it with the bone folder. Then I take, since it's going to go here and it's going to go like this, I'm just going to slide it into my gusset and then slide it like this so I know where to position it, and this way I know where to adhere my die cut. And I'll put some more adhesive on that. Now you want to be careful not to get any adhesive on this side in case you were having your die cut stick out further. So I'll just use a little bit of double-sided tape here. Okay, so what we'll do is just use that to kind of figure out where our center mark is. And there we go. Now I'll just add adhesive on along the back, and your die cut is assembled, and your little closure is assembled. Find a liquid adhesive like Beacon's 3-in-1 really works well for something like this, because not only that, but if you get a little bit where you didn't want it to go, it works with an adhesive eraser. So there you go, you've got the gift card closure made. It slides in behind the die cut, and then you can decorate it as you wish and put a sentiment inside if you wish. Thank you very much.